Hello everyone. I'm just making a video about how to reset your Furby boom when it's died. Now I know that there's a few, reviews about how to fix it, and one of the ways is to push the reset button. Boop for 20, or no, you press it for 2 seconds and then turn it back over and it turns on. Blah blah blah. That's great. Mine won't do that. And I've done the reset button a million times. It works for maybe 30 seconds, sometimes for 10 minutes, for an hour, but then it dies again. So we're going to show you the other way to fix your Furby when nothing else works. And if that doesn't work, you call Hasbro, and the number's right here. It's awesome. Straight to a person. 800-255-5516. And they just had me give the serial number on the Furby, and they're going to have me send in the back cover. That's it. They're sending a paid for mailing label, and it's being sent to my inbox. But that's how we're getting the replacement Furby, which they're sending free of charge because my Furby is not working, even though we reset it. The way you reset it's really simple. You hold your Furby upside down, stick your finger in his mouth, hold his tongue down, and then pull its tail and hold it out while you're pulling. Just pull the tail, keep pulling the tail, hold your finger in its mouth continuously. You pull the tail for 20 seconds, let go, turn it back. It should work. Now, it's not working for me, but it should work for you. So if it doesn't work, call the Hasbro number and they will, send you a new one. That's what they did for us. Good luck.